You're going to match up your side seams, and then what you're going to do is kind of come around and just make sure that everything matches up. And if you get something like this where, say, one of the pieces is just slightly longer, you could just go ahead and trim that down. Just make sure that it's even. And then you're just going to fold 1/2 inch underneath on both of your lining and on your bag, matching up the seams. You're going to go ahead and pin it. Might be a little tough to get through all these layers. Again, fold under your bag and match up your lining. And you're just going to do this all the way around your bag. Folding in folding down the hem and then matching it up and pinning. So now that we have the bag pinned to our lining, we're just going to go ahead and stitch all the way around. I finished sewing all the way around the top of my bag. Looks pretty cool. Now the last step is going to be attaching the handles.